yeah, just so yourself, like, what's your name there?
Trevor Carney, yeah, from Cork City.
Oh, very good.
And I was through the program in 2009, Teen Challenge program, and I'm a heroin addict for 15 years. And I came up to Teen Challenge, and I was really broken, you know, and they really helped me in so many ways. Like, and after about 6 months, I started to help out in the bus as well, you know, and you know, just meeting people coming in who are homeless, like, and just trying to give them a bit of hope that there is life past addiction, you know.
Yeah.
And you know, they get to come on, have some soup or sandwiches, and you know, we go around the street as well, and you know, just kind of sit down and meet people where they're at, you know what I mean, and just sit down with them and give them a cup of tea and have a chat with them, tell them about Teen Challenge. And a lot of people kind of look at you and think, you know, you don't look like you ever took drugs or anything, and you know, but the reality is I have, you know, and you know, it's a faith-based program, like, and like when I went up to Teen Challenge, I heard it was run by Christians, but I didn't think it was going to be part of the program for me to become a Christian. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So when I got up there, I had a massive encounter with God, and you know, my life was changed completely. And I just want people to kind of see that when I'm out there as well, that you know, that you can have a different life, and that there is something bigger than ourselves out there that can help us. You know what I mean? And that's God. You know, and that's mainly the reason why this place works.
Yeah.
You know, it's not down to just, you know, ex-addicts coming on, or you know, just people coming out. It's because the Lord has His hand in this place, 100%.
Yeah.
You know, and that's basically why we're here and why we're doing it. You know what I mean?
People have that faith, like that.
Absolutely, yeah. You know, so we just try and let people see that in what we do, like, you know.
Absolutely. And like, I suppose you've seen yourself, like you said, you're an addict for 15 years. Like, you don't look anywhere you're old enough for that. Like.
Yeah. Well, I'm 36.
Okay.
So I've been in addiction, heroin addiction since I was full addiction since I was about 15 years of age, you know, but heroin for about 15 of that, you know. So yeah, I was addicted to all sorts of stuff, you know, cocaine, crack, cannabis, and moved on to heroin, like, you know, and just could never get a break, like, you know, and I tried a few times and it always failed me, like, you know, and but when I went into the Teen Challenge, something just changed in me that I never thought could happen, you know, and I love life today, you know what I mean? It's just great to be out and helping people, and yeah.
It's great to hear it. Like, and I suppose, what's that like? Do you find that with yourself, like, you know, and people, I think if I was saying 50% of volunteers would be, you know, come through the program. Like, is that important that people that you're dealing with are able to associate with, like, you're able to put yourself in their shoes and stuff like?
Absolutely. Like, you can kind of sit down with someone and say, I know what you're going through. You know what I mean? And you see how caught up in addiction they are, and they feel like there's no way out. And I've been there myself. I know exactly what it's like to feel like you've no hope, you've got no chance. And when you think that the hope is in yourself, or the buck stops with you and trying to get well, the idea of that is crazy, because there's no way I could possibly get myself well. I just never was able to do it. But when you hear that you can put your faith in something else to get you well, you take the focus off yourself completely, and it's, you know, you're putting your hands in the life of God, and you know, and when you learn to do that, it's like, I don't have to worry about this anymore. Someone else can take care of it for me, so I can relax and just let it happen. And that's kind of what happens up in Teen Challenge. You come in, and people who've been in addiction before would know from trying other places.